Yes. So what I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. You understand? Now we're gonna finish the rest of Tavii Zoey video, where she says she gonna delete in 24 hours. You understand? We say she and Arjay up on top of one roof, and them talk about the things them where I get between them. You know, the things when the it's the thing that we get between, you know, it's not body and pum pum. It's not relevant. The only thing we're supposed to do between, you know, body and pum pum. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. Come together. When they on roof at you, like them play a truth and dare type setting. You see me? Like them confess something and then they wet up the another person. Madness. Let's continue.
That tweeze my face too much bump in there.
It's too like Imara tweezer.
You see all this shit going on social media though, TikTok, IG.
You're the one.
Every single minute with up on a meme, yo.
Yeah.
But I say sorry.
Sorry?
Sorry can't buy soul. Sorry can't buy soul, Jalari.
Everywhere you look on Bumbleclaw, YouTube, at all face.
On
TikTok.
Where are you? Where
on
are
IG.
you? Where are you admitting that you went wrong? Because me telling sorry like for the whole prank situation. I'm never mean for like hurt you.
I hate you for not medicine that the prank would have hurt me. And you know, and you know that med say once you put it on social media, it have to look a certain type of way. Come, this blood clot.
You joke me on my head with this somewhere you have, Arjay.
I'm joking on your head. Jesus Christ, just hold your head now. Cause I know that I have to know.
No, but you cannot burst it with something.
Yeah, now go and be that for this. Alright. Fucking eat it for that. Dead ass eat it for that.
Come on, I'm gonna tell you when you eat it.
You hear me for now.
Me eat you for the fox, say. Wait, let me think about it.
What? Hey, move your ass to somebody.
One thing doing and a girl skin clean, you know.
Wait.
Yeah, man, a girl skin clean, man.
Yeah.
But her vice, blood clot.
One will hurt me really bad. Me eat the fox, say.
Jesus Christ.
You tell me so much lie. That are the main one. You need a weave on.
Okay.
You need a weave on. That's how we make it. You must tell the truth. You really did that go. I mean, why you abide me so long at all?
Oh, we're there. We're not really.
No more balloon are there.
I roll up in the water. Yeah, double get the fox here going there, dog, bed.
Oh shit! Boom! Hold on. Let me take a sip. Dog say, mama, when you get the fox here, you know the man bed in them blood clot hoodie and boy shots a bubble and the man say, yo, she make you use your palm and then you laugh. You laugh when Chuck Star say, Tavii Zoey made you use your palm. And she laugh at you. I know you're a girl that booba, all the way girl, my lad. You understand what I say? She for the streets. Go continue.
Oh, you have to sex the man friend.
Jealous.
As soon as we have a disagreement, you're gonna go wild out, out at east, wild out at nah!
Yeah.
Stop.
Sure.
Oh, that look like he want to bite it a while ago. The dog hungry.
Over stupid prank, Arjay, you serious?
The dog hungry.
And then oh, you got to talk about how me never pull up at the party. You think that was going to happen? Ha? Ha? So when we turn up, what you feel?
Me too.
What you feel when we turn up?
Me too.
Tell me the truth, huh?
The dog don't want to say her.
I really kind of feel look happy.
Of course you were happy.
Me kind of feel
The dog smile off. The dog smile. We run and say, hey, when RJ see my girl pull up in the RJ smile, we run and say, you know, wet up all in ears. RJ smile, wet up in earlobes.
So you forgive me? Or you gonna keep playing hard to get?
Hard to get. The last one.
I can chase you.
Chase me. Without clothes.
You're gonna keep playing hard to get?
Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, wind up in my enemy bed, mama.
Eh?
No.
You idiot. Endless hood suck. Endless hood suck. All in a church. Endless. What you whisper in our ears? What you whisper in our ears? Whisper in our ears.
No, for you though, look.
Stop. We did not look. Me not cut out nothing out of this. Man, give me. Man, you stop me out of this, RJ. Me I say seriously, how long?
RJ coming like him want to bite
Like
it.
you could have beef with me for.
All of your life.
Hold it.
You like my song when I write about you?
Your song now.
You know, some of my song is all truth. Your song,
My song is all. My song is all.
Team RJ, me say still, see me? Team RJ, me say, but
yeah.
I'm saying that my song was like.
Tavii Zoey song better than RJ
Yeah,
song.
he's nice to me. I look at something.
Stop now.
See?
Stop now. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that.
Dog body a rise up on him.
Stop now, RJ.
What?
What the dog do? Dog body a rise, dog body healthy. Dog want pam you. Dog want give the grr.
Go on.
You know, you feel like you could have. But just try to see how long you would keep up that nasty. You're like,
What you mean?
how long? You know, go because you're not talking.
Yeah, me I meant to. B.
Shall I go answer?
Zoe.
One thing though with Zoe, vice annoying, but skin clean. Skin clean.
What? Alright, I don't.
Hey, coming from the Tuesday.
What? Ow! You never did that. How long you did that plan for like not talk to me for?
The whole month.
Damn right.
Serious?
Yes. Look at that. Hey, dog, I whisper in her ears. Yo, bite it. Go in and bite it now, fair.
So you can't hug, so you know what? Give up and say I'm going.
I'm sorry.
Nah, man. We don't want to hug. Endless hood suck.
Now hug the fake.
Endless hood
You
suck,
see,
mama.
I chat shit why them come for me in the comments below.
Yeah.
But me no business.
What's going on? So we'll go for answer now.
You tell me, are you a play hardball?
We know.
Uh-oh.
You know.
Uh-oh.
Yo, put your song right.
RJ, go behind her and gear that now.
Put your song right.
Watch RJ. Watch RJ whisper in her ears. Yo, come and bite it for you. Me know say RJ in the ears right now, yo. Come go in, come so I can bite it for you right now.
What you gonna do about that?
Bite it.
Still them to talk to your fans.
Tell everybody you want to bite it.
Your friends.
Tell everybody you want to bite it. Say RJ, come bite it.
I hate you because you're talking to me. You think you've made the right decision?
Boy, I'm in there, you know.
And that you really gonna sit on my camera?
Damn right.
Me I go with. You're bright.
One thing doing, yeah man, mama skin clean, man, you know? Her skin clean, body healthy.
Wow, I'm
Watch him now.
Yes, so you don't know if you make the right decision, so don't talk to me. No?
Watch her blood clot feel up her body jaw. Don't put your hand on the man again, you know, because you just touch your body jaw, you know. I know you poop since the start, you know. Don't touch your man again. I know you poop since the start. You just touch your body jaw a while ago.
Right decision, I'm done making videos with you. We don't gotta do videos. So people, since RJ wants to play hardball, since he wants to play hardball, see him down there, since he wants to play hardball, then we're not gonna be making videos anymore.
Yeah, you can't joke.
You're not joking, because I did ask you, and you never did answer me. Don't come nowhere near me. Do not come anywhere near me.
Chop, push her off, brother. Just give her one push so she can learn all this.
Playing hardball.
Push her blood clot.
What? You gonna jump off of where? You have wings, you can fly.
I believe I can fly.
Oh my God, look on the cloud over your head. Stop, man.
Yo, he's not here, but I can't do the walking. Level.
You have to do the walking, brother.
So them two big people are up on the people them roof. I feel them yard are
So,
Yeah, man. Where you going now? Come.
Stop!
Where
Hey!
Chuck Star. Hey, Chuck Star, watch this and I thumb the ear. Chuck Star stays on.
You don't get a tattoo?
Yeah, man.
You don't get matching tattoos?
Fuck no.
Why am I not sure now?
You better not be sure.
As in, you would get matching tattoos?
Hell no.
Probably.
Fuck, I can play hardball.
But yeah.
Play hardball all I want. Well, when me say me no want no, then leave me alone. Stop touch me. Stop now. Stop.
Yeah, I mean, slap it blood clot. Yeah, I mean, whopper. Left your hand miggle pan it blood clot.
So if you want to play hardball, you can play hardball. All you want.
Yeah, I can be it.
I'm soon be it.
Alright, so.
Edge dry.
Alright, yo, I'm not have nothing against you or anything. I'm not prayer. Yeah, I'm still kind of prayer, but no, I'm not prayer at this moment. Alright.
So you forgive me?
Yeah, I'm forgive you. And sorry for your fuck, Ali. So,
Ali?
Business.
Man, beat down the box, Ali. Grr, grr.
Minor business.
oh, wait, I got broke my hand? If you display people say never care, if you never display like you don't care about me, moon say alright then rate it, but okay.
If you never did a lie too much, then rate it, then that.
Yes, sir.
If you never did a lie, then rate it, that.
Alright, fatty.
Alright, skinny. I
No
feel
need
like
this
shit,
skinny
me
man
need to
of
go
ours.
beard.
But we're good, so I guess we're good.
You need to get a trim. Yo, my pup. Yo, bro. Look at my hair.
Don't be sure. So what are we?
What do you mean by what are we? You already know what are we.
Just say it.
Alright guys, so yeah,
Say
kinda
it.
good now.
Man, make you style him.
Next video.
So for all you haters that's gonna be commenting down below,
Yeah, man, your nose will balance. Alright, so that's the end of the video right there, ladies and gentle G's. I don't know, say one nation and Imara nation. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I think this is total bull crap. You understand as always, but whether you keep up with the bull crap, you know, because you don't love the bull crap. But I still put video of substance in between the bull crap. You understand what I say? I drop a couple video about woman can't come after penetration and them thing there. You know? Woman for mine, man, and them thing. Why don't I watch them thing? Them thing I don't like watch. Well, if I them thing I don't like watch, them thing I make a record good. You understand what I say? And for the people that talk about, oh yeah, follow the thing. Go suck your mother! I move your blood clot, now ask you and batty boy. Oh dog, yeah, follow the thing so. Oh, you know that I go on in your life. Bamba all in the shit things I go on in my life. You know much for them blood clot light here. You know much for that blood clot mic here. You know much for that blood clot board. You know much for the blood clot laptop. Batty boy. Boy, if man not go out with the life. Batty boy. Or you over here blood clot watching it. Same way. And you over here watching it. Me and them blood clot YouTuber, me answer and tell you where a big stinking pussy boy. You don't know one nation and Imara nation. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification. Remember, no one thinking in the comment section. You understand my dealing? Up more! I'm out.